Accessible Web, WCAG Manual Auditing. Success Criterion 3.2.3 Consistent Navigation. Let's jump in. Success Criterion 3.2.3 ensures that navigational components appearing on multiple pages, such as main navigation menus, sidebars or footers with repeated links, or skip links, are shown in the same order each time. This helps users build familiarity with the layout, improving usability and efficiency. To test for consistent navigation, analyze the site or app and identify navigational UI components that appear on multiple pages. Visit different pages where these components appear. Check that the order of items remain consistent across all pages, and if any navigational elements are reordered or rearranged between pages without a functional reason, add a failure in ramp. And that wraps up testing for Success Criterion 3.2.3 using Ramp's Audit Grid and Chrome extension. Keeping navigation consistent helps users orient themselves and navigate with confidence. Now it's your turn. Test your site with Ramp's Audit Grid. Try it free for 14 days using the link in the description.